Geert, if people read about you, they might get confused as to what discipline you are in. What kind of a bird are you?
I have called myself in Dutch a scharrelprofessor, which is kind of professor at large, without necessarily attributing myself to any particular discipline.
Right, so you yourself don't make a big thing of the discipline that you're in?
No, okay. I think that maybe one of my particular identities is not having one.
You don't have an identity, but your contribution to science does have one. What is culture, as you define it?
Well, my definition is, of course, a particular definition, which is that the collective programming of the mind that distinguishes one group or category of people from another. But that is one particular way of defining, and there are other definitions as well.
So what is the peculiarity and what makes your concept of culture so usable?
Maybe that I focus on the way culture is acquired. It is, I use the term programming of the mind, which of course is a metaphor, because the mind isn't programmed like a computer is, but we all have computers, so we all know what's meant by programming. But what I focus on is how do people acquire their programming, and I picture actually the human being as somebody who comes in this world, let's say with an operating system, but still needing a lot of programming in order to function. And that is one thing which people can understand. In my definition, you read the word collective. It's a collective programming, which means it is those things which are shared by people who grew up in the same forest.